You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome. Glad you could join us. We're diving into, well, just an absolute whirlwind in artificial intelligence this week.
It really has been something. We're seeing these huge, almost audacious market plays happening right alongside some pretty significant technical leaps.
Yeah, exactly. So our goal today is, cut through that noise a bit, find those moments that make you go, aha, and sort of connect the dots for you on what's happening so fast. Okay, let's kick things off with something that honestly made me do a double take. Perplexity. They just dropped an unsolicited $34.5 billion cash offer for Google Chrome.
Billion with a B.
Right. And the kicker is they're saying, look, we'll keep Chromium open source, we'll pump $3 billion more into it, and we'll even keep Google as the default search. I mean, what's the play here? Is this real or just incredibly bold marketing?
Well, that's the multi-billion-dollar question, isn't it? The scale, I mean, it's staggering. But maybe it's less about actually buying Chrome and more about, forcing a conversation, disrupting that default search monopoly idea.
So signaling they're a serious player, using open source against Google's own playbook.
Exactly. It announces Perplexity as a real contender in the ecosystem, whether the deal happens or not. It's a narrative Google can't easily just brush aside.
Okay. And sticking with market fights, we've got Elon Musk's XAI going after Apple now, threatening immediate legal action.
Right, the antitrust claims.
Yeah, he's alleging Apple basically makes it impossible for anyone but OpenAI to hit #1 in the App Store. He points out, his app Grok is 5th, ChatGPT's 1st.
Mm-hmm. It definitely highlights the, let's say, intense competition brewing in the AI app space. Whether the legal argument holds water or not, it taps into that wider worry about platform power. Are these app stores really open ground for new AI tech?
It's a fair question. Okay, shifting gears to the tech itself. Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4, a 1 million token context window now.
Yeah, public beta on their API, Amazon Bedrock too, Vertex AI coming.
1 million tokens. Can we just pause on that? I mean, for you listening, that's like giving the AI a small library to hold in its working memory for one chat. What does that suddenly make possible?
Look, it's not just more information. It's about the quality of reasoning it enables over long stretches. Imagine digging through decades of legal files for one case, or pulling together findings from hundreds of scientific papers, and the AI actually keeps track of it all.
Without losing the plot halfway through.
Precisely. It becomes a truly deep research partner, capable of, longitudinal analysis that just wasn't feasible before.
Wow. Okay, and then OpenAI dropped their GPT-5 prompting guide. Couple of really interesting things here. First, a new verbosity setting, so you can control how long the answer is without changing how deeply it thinks.
Separating length from reasoning depth. That's useful.
But get this, GPT-5 is apparently great at being its own meta prompter. People are literally asking it, hey, my last prompt didn't work, how should I fix it? And it helps them write better prompts for itself.
Now that is a significant step. That ability for the model to help refine its own instructions, I mean, it lowers the barrier, doesn't it? You don't have to be a prompt engineering guru.
It makes the AI more collaborative in getting the results you want.
Exactly. It's moving towards the AI actively helping clarify what you mean. That's a big deal for usability.
And speaking of usability, ChatGPT Pro users are getting connectors now for Gmail, Google Calendar, Contacts, Team, Enterprise, Edu soon too.
Right, letting it access data from those services directly.
So I could actually ask, what was in that email I sent to my boss last week about Q3 targets without digging through my inbox? That feels actually useful day to day.
Absolutely. It starts to turn ChatGPT into a much more integrated personal assistant. The key is that seamless workflow. Less app switching, more context-aware action. It's your digital footprint becoming actively helpful through the AI.
Like a proper digital concierge. And quick hits, GPT-5 also getting new modes, auto fast thinking, new rate limits. And personally, I'm relieved they're apparently making GPT-5's personality a bit warmer, but maybe not quite as relentlessly upbeat as GPT-4 sometimes felt.
A fine balance to strike there.
Indeed. Okay, one more thing, more foundational. Nexus, this open source AI router. What's the idea here?
Well, think of it like an intelligent traffic controller for AI agents that need to talk to multiple different large language models. A central point for routing requests smartly, handling security, governance.
Making complex setups simpler for developers.
Yeah, essentially. It boosts observability, makes things more scalable, more reliable. The goal is to sort of democratize that sophisticated AI orchestration, make it easier for more people to build robust multi-model AI systems. That's pretty crucial for what comes next.
What a week, seriously. From these massive market bids and legal threats down to huge technical leaps like the million tokens and then practical stuff like checking your email via ChatGPT, the pace is just wild.
It really is.
Yeah.
And this rapid sort of multi-front evolution, it brings up a key question for you listening right now. How does all this change how you might interact with information, with technology, just in the next few months?
Yeah.
How are these tools going to reshape your digital world? Or maybe even how you approach solving problems?
Great question to ponder. Keep exploring. Stay curious about these tools. Thanks so much for tuning in to Vocal Technologist today.
Spoken Tech for your ears.